and welcome to flameinstitute.com. And today's topic is three-dimensional coordinate system. Now, in the three-dimensional coordinate system, we have to learn that how this there are the we have only read that we have studied that there are two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. Now, in the three-dimensional coordinate system, there are the three dimensions, three axes. Okay, how? Just read that. In an analytical system या geometry of two dimensions of the position of at a point is determined with the respect to of two axes of the reference, but in the space it is not sufficient to determine the point with respect to the two axes. ठीक है, अगर मैं एनालिटिक ज्योमेट्री की बात करती हूँ तो उसमें जो टू डिमेंशन से ही हम पोजीशन जो है पॉइंट की वो रेफरेंस से दिखाते हैं, लेकिन स्पेस की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो दो पॉइंट्स से मैं उसको सफिशिएंट नहीं है उसको डिटरमाइन करना। तो अब पॉइंट अगर मैं पोजीशन जो है पॉइंट्स की अगर मैं स्पेस में लोकेट करना चाहूँ टू लोकेट द पोजीशन ऑफ अ पॉइंट इन अ स्पेस, सो इन एडिशन to the two axes, another third axis is required, that is why in space the coordinate in the space is called the three-dimensional system. Okay, so now what is the rectangular Cartesian coordinate system? In the rectangular Cartesian coordinate system, let xox dash and y dash are the two mutual perpendicular coordinate lines intersecting at the point O or 0. There exists a unique plane passing through these two lines. एक plane है, unique plane है जो इन दोनों lines के वो pass कर रहा है. Now let an z dash be a coordinate line perpendicular to this plane and also passing through the point O. ठीक है, हमने एक और पॉइंट एक और हम ले लेते हैं, एक्सिस ले लेते हैं, z ले लेते हैं, कोऑर्डिनेट लाइन जो के परपेंडिकुलर है प्लेन पे और वो जो है वो भी ओ ओरिजिन से होके पास कर रही है. Now the O is called the origin and the three mutually perpendicular lines xox dash is known as x-axis, y dash is known as y-axis, z dash is known as z-axis respectively. Now let's see this plane, the line passing through xox और y. अगर मैं बात करूं कि जो लाइन है वो पास जो प्लेन है वो पास कर रहा है थ्रू द xx dash और y dash, then this plane is known as the xy plane, that is this one. Now the plane passing through the y dash z dash, that plane is known as the yz plane, and this one is this part, the colored blue part. Now the plane passing through the z or x or dash or y xox dash is called the zx plane, and that plane is purple colored showed here. Now the next is these three are the planes. Okay, x is the xy plane, zy plane or zx plane. Now x-axis, y-axis and z-axis, they are called the coordinate axis. The planes xy, yz or zx plane, they are known as the coordinate planes. Okay, this system of the coordinate axis is called the rectangular Cartesian coordinate system. इसी सिस्टम को रेक्टेंगुलर कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम बोला जाता है.